If you're seeing Epic Games error code AS202, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that can help get you back into the Epic Games launcher fast. This error is often related to network issues, corrupted DNS cache, or proxy settings that are blocking the launcher from connecting properly. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes with a couple of simple Windows commands. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more easy fixes, gaming guides, and software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type CMD into the search bar. When Command Prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the network reset commands we're about to use need elevated permissions to work correctly. Once the Command Prompt window opens, you'll see a black screen with a blinking cursor. Now type the first command exactly as shown, ipconfig flushdns. Then press Enter. This command clears your DNS cache, which can remove old or broken network information that may be causing the Epic Games error code AS202. After that command finishes, move on to the next one. Type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair network socket settings on your computer. If something in your network stack has become corrupted, this step can often fix connection problems that stop Epic Games from loading or signing in properly. Now for the third command. Type nets s win http reset proxy and press Enter. This clears any hidden proxy server settings that may be interfering with your connection to Epic Games servers. Sometimes a proxy can be enabled without you realizing it, and that can block launcher traffic even if your internet seems to work normally in a browser. Once you've run all three commands, restart your computer. This is a key step because Windows needs to apply the network changes fully before you test Epic Games again. After your PC restarts, open the Epic Games launcher and check if the Epic Games launcher and check if the AS202 error is gone. If the launcher opens normally, great, you've fixed the issue. If you still see the error, make sure your internet connection is stable, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy software, and try again. In many cases though, these three commands are enough to resolve the problem quickly. I hope this video helped you fix Epic Games error code AS202. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.